So it's 12:33. I'm going to eat a beef patty that I just got finished making because it was quick and they're doing the most upstairs right now. Kitchen is compromised. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to watch my shows that came on last night. I couldn't even tell you what I was doing yesterday that I didn't watch the shows. I think I was watching other stuff, random things on TV. So I'm gonna watch Top Chef because I like watching food shows while I'm eating, and then I'm also gonna watch How to Get Away with Murder. So that's two-hour shows, but I'm gonna skip through the commercials. So that's gonna take up a lot of my time during the day. So I'm gonna jump into that. So my food is done. I'm going to eat this now, have a drink, and watch some TV and decide what I'm going to do with the rest of my day. It is 6:20 now. I know I blinked out for a long time, but I showered, kind of napped, watched some TV in between the last time that I checked in, and yeah, so enjoy. I just wanted to talk about my quarantine hair because I know you guys seen these two ponies. Um, yeah, this is how I've been wearing my hair throughout quarantine. Because it's easy, because I don't like doing my curly hair, and I feel like I'm not gonna style it if I'm just gonna be in the house. So these two ponytails that I have keep it like pretty much in place, detangled. So when I go to wash my hair, I don't have to spend a ton of time detangling it because it wasn't out. It's already basically detangled, and it's just easy. So I went to go walk into my closet slash beauty room, and my light blew out. So that's fun. I have some light bulbs, thank God, but I also have my vanity right here, so I can just turn those lights on, and we have light in the room, so it gives me enough light to at least change this light bulb. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! That would have been a disaster. Let's test that. Boom. So you saw how I almost dropped that light bulb changing it. Well, the old one, I dropped it going to throw it away. Thank God, I like fumbled it so it didn't fall like aggressively, but I almost dropped that one too. My nerves are shot. I think what I'm gonna do now is do a face mask. Cause what else am I doing? Nothing. This is my little beauty section. This is the one I'm gonna do. From Origins, a charcoal mask. So let's get on it. So my charcoal mask is gone. It's about to be 15 minutes and it's really stiff now. I was just on the phone with my dad. I probably should have timed. No, I was putting it on while I was on the phone with him, so that wouldn't have been a good timer, but it's really hard. I can't laugh, and I was laughing on the phone, so it's time for me to take this off. So I'm going to take this off, and then I think I'm going to put my puzzle away that I've worked on for a long time. So let me rinse this off, because it's really stiff. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to put this puzzle back inside of the box. I originally was going to get some glue or puzzle glue and make this one and frame it and hang it up. However, after being on Amazon, and I actually ordered glue, but then I went back and canceled it after thinking like, are you really going to frame this? I went on Amazon and looked at picture frames. For this odd dimension, it is 26.6 inches by 19 inches. So I guess 27 by 19. It's really odd. And frames were like $20. And for like this, am I really going to hang this up? I spent $20 on top of the price of the puzzle. I was like, I'm not. And as much as it pains me because I worked really hard on it, I'd rather just put it in the box and get my coffee table back. Temporarily, because I actually have another puzzle. I have this puzzle to do. This Snow White puzzle. Snow White's not my favorite princess. I thought she was pretty boring. However, this photo looks better. I mean, I know they're like dressed in chef stuff and I like cooking, which is why I picked this one up first. But this one just looks more aesthetically pleasing, like abstract art. Like this one looks better. And I just realized that this one's going to be the long way, whereas this one was more horizontal, which was easier for me to do the puzzle. So that's going to be something when I do it. Are these dimensions the same? Probably. Yes. So before I put this up, I'm going to see if I can flip it to see if this table, or I could just measure it to see if this table is long enough, because I'm not flipping this puzzle. Who am I kidding? I know I said I wasn't going to flip it, but here I am flipping it. Yeah, it's not going to be long enough when I do the puzzle. The other one. Can't go losing any pieces. I know I dropped a piece. I know it. I heard it. God. Oh no! Stop dropping pieces on the floor.
You know, we can try to find some more.